Temporary email is one of the smartest tools you can use today to protect your privacy online. If you're tired of spam, unwanted newsletters, or giving your real email address to random websites, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create a temporary email address instantly and safely, using one of the best temporary email tools available. So, what exactly is a temporary email? A temporary email is a disposable email address that works just like a normal inbox, but only for a short period of time. You can receive verification codes, confirmation links, and messages without exposing your personal email account. Let's see how it works. First, open your browser and visit a trusted temporary email service. As soon as the page loads, a random email address is automatically generated for you. No sign up, no password, and no personal information required. You can copy this email address and use it to register on any website that asks for an email. When a message is sent to that address, it appears instantly in the inbox on the same page. This is perfect for downloading free resources, accessing trials, or testing websites without filling your real inbox with spam. At this point, temporary email becomes a powerful tool for staying anonymous and organized online. Most temporary email services keep messages active for a limited time, usually between 10 minutes to several hours. After that, the inbox is automatically deleted, along with all messages. This means no long-term tracking, no data storage, and no privacy risks. However, temporary email is not recommended for important accounts like banking, work emails, or social media you want to keep long-term. It's best used for one-time registrations and quick verifications. In summary, a temporary email address is fast, free, and incredibly useful. With just one click, you can avoid spam, protect your identity, and stay in control of your inbox. If you care about online privacy, speed, and simplicity, temporary email is a tool you should definitely start using today. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.